Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add funds to your Venmo account. All right, let's begin. Start by opening the Venmo app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your personal dashboard. To add money, tap the blue Manage button. A pop-up will appear with a couple of options. Select the one with the plus icon labeled Add Money. Now you can choose your preferred funding method. Venmo allows you to use a linked bank account, debit card, direct deposit, or even cash a check. For this example, we'll use a debit card. Select your card from the list, then enter the amount you want to add. Make sure the card details are correct. If everything looks good, tap the blue Next button. On the confirmation screen, you'll see a summary of the transaction. It shows the amount you're adding and confirms the money should be available instantly if you're using a debit card. If everything checks out, tap the green Add button at the bottom. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation, and your Venmo balance will update with the new amount. So that's basically how you can add funds to your Venmo account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.